so bad.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
How's it feel?
Oh, I think I'm gonna vomit.
Let's see this room.
It's messy.
I don't know. Oh, I like that picture.
I don't know.
What the fuck? You are an idiot. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Oh my god.
Ready. Gotcha.
She did that to me when I came home. She goes, what was that noise? So I pushed the door open slowly, and then I looked and I was like, ah! And then I was like, ah!
It's funny those shoes are like that. It took like a split second for everything to compute. These look creepy.
It is creepy,
We
but
should just make it a permanent thing in your room.
okay, no, because I will scare myself.